Which army does the President of India represent as the Supreme Commander? Correct answer is option B. All three armed forces. When was the National Gokul mission launched? Correct answer is option A. December 2014. What is the function of the Alt plus Tab key combination on a computer? Correct answer is option C. To switch between open windows and application. The 106 Constitutional Amendment amended which article for women's reservation in Delhi Legislative Assembly? Correct answer is option B. Which state signed an MOU with Space Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center? Correct answer is option B. Karnataka State. The Diwane-Arts department in medieval India was related to. Correct answer is option B. Defense. Which of the following is a dimensionless quantity? Correct answer is option C. Refractive index. Who chaired the 10th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option B. PM Narendra Modi. Which is the southernmost desert in the world? Correct answer is option C. Kalahari Desert. Which of the following deserts are located in the southern hemisphere? Correct answer is option A. Antarctic at Kama Kalahari, Great Victoria. When was Mahashivratri celebrated in 2025? Correct answer is option B. 26 February 2025. What was India ranked in the Human Development Index in 2023? Correct answer is option B. 130. Which state was given special status under Article 371A of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B. Nagaland. The 106 Constitutional Amendment Act 2023 is related to. Correct answer is option B. Where can tropical evergreen forest be found in India? Correct answer is option B. How many prime numbers are there from 393 to 401? Correct answer is option B. 2 prime numbers. Article 13 of the Indian Constitution is related to. Correct answer is option B. If a 7-digit number is given, checking divisibility by which number is mentioned here. Correct answer is option B. 3. Article 19 first of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option B. Freedom of speech and expression. Which is the main scheme that provides employment to rural people by giving them skill training? Correct answer is option B. What is meant by diarchy? Correct answer is option B. Dual government rule. An alpine region that experiences snow, rain and cool summers in India is. Correct answer is option B. Himalaya range. What is the meaning of diarchy in government? Correct answer is option B. The Right to Information Act 2005 is related to. Correct answer is option B. Where can tropical evergreen forest be found in India? Correct answer is option B. Article 13 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option B. Which is the main scheme providing employment to rural people by giving them skill training? Correct answer is option B. Where did the BRICS meeting take place in 2025? Correct answer is option C. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Which institutions made significant contribution to India industrial development after 1991? Correct answer is option C. WHO and WTO. Who was duplex in modern Indian history? Correct answer is option B. French Governor General in India.